So once you locate all these points, that is a point E, F, G, H, and I in the front view. Okay. So you can highlight this section, that is sectional front view, by using the hatching lines. So this is the front view of this section. Now to draw the side view, you should observe from the right side. So for the side view, you can draw this line 45 degree, then take the projection from the front view. And similarly, take the projection from the top view. So this is your side view of this section. So for the true shape, you should observe exactly in the 90 degree to this auxiliary inclined plane. So take the projectors from all these intersection points. Draw one center line and then measure this distance and draw this line. Similarly, measure the distance between these 2 points. So this is the true shape of this section. Okay. So try to complete this problem on the drawing paper. So now we will see the projection or section of the pyramid. So the pyramid is resting on the HP and it is cut by a section plane which is a perpendicular to HP. Sorry, section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. So you can note down this problem. A pentagonal prism pentagonal pyramid is resting on the HP on its base. One of the side, that is the base edge, is perpendicular to VP. It is cut by an auxiliary inclined plane which passes through the base edge and inclined to HP by 45 degree. the auxiliary inclined plane is a perpendicular to VP. Draw the front view, sectional top view, sectional side view, and the true shape of this section. So take the base side. You can take this 30 mm and the height, this is equal to 65 mm. That is the axis height. So this is the position of the given pyramid. So it is resting on the horizontal plane on its base. That means that complete pentagonal base is on the HP, and axis of that pyramid is perpendicular to HP and parallel to the vertical plane. Okay. So this is the position of that pyramid. Now this pyramid is cut by the section plane, which is inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. So in the first image, you can observe the complete pyramid. So this inclination with respect to this horizontal plane, this is 45 degrees. So in the front view, you can observe this inclination, and this section plane, it will appear as a straight line. Okay. And the second condition for this inclined plane is it is passing through this base edge. So let us take this base edge as a AB. So from this base edge, that section plane is passing. Okay. At the same time, angle is 45 degrees. So in the top view, you can observe a pentagon. So you should draw this pentagon in such a way that one of the base edge is perpendicular to the vertical plane. Okay. So when you draw that pentagon, just draw one line, that is side of that pentagon, which is perpendicular to the XY line. Okay. And then you can complete the remaining pentagon. So you can observe in the second image, after this section, you will remove this portion which is above the section plane. So this is the remaining portion. Okay. So for this portion, you should draw the front view, then sectional top view, and sectional side view. Okay. So if you observe from the right side, then sectional view is not visible from the right side. Okay. So you should draw the left-hand side view. That means you should observe from the left direction, and then you can draw the left-hand side view on the right side of the front view. Okay. So let us see how to draw this on a drawing paper. So if you want, you can take the screenshot